Hello, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca, live right here at the Equity Management Academy Live Trading Room. This segment is sponsored by the Equity Management Academy. I want to take the opportunity on this segment to basically review with you the last video report that we published called the Gold. Have we seen the lows? This was published just a couple of days ago here, actually on the 10th, and it will give you a pretty good idea of the previous day's action in the market and what we were expecting. You can take a look at this at your own leisure and see pretty much where we're going with this segment based on our previous analysis, and you can take a look at it here, and you can, as I said, at your own leisure, be able to see. But pretty much we anticipated that the market was possibly going to establish some kind of a low. And as you can see here, we're just beginning to formulate that low, and this was on August the 9th. If we go right into the trading room, and we can take a look at the same chart live, we can see that the market did rally from that anticipated low of about 1335, 1336 was basically the levels that we have been able to identify as the demand levels here for the past few days. After the expected top that we saw here on the 5th of August, the targets to the downside were met by the 8th, pretty much. Things are happening pretty fast in this market. And this brought us back to a neutral position. And with the market closing above the buy one level of the demand area in blue that we are able to identify, the highest probability area where we want to buy the market, it confirmed the buy signal. Automatically, when this signal is activated, it activates the targets above. The levels above become your immediate target. And as you can see here, we were able to accomplish our targets right away. By the 10th, we saw a high here of 1363.60. And pretty much this met our weekly indicators, our weekly algorithms that told us that 1365.60 was the target coming into this week, and that for gold and for the silver market was 2052.70. Let's take a look at silver and see what we were able to accomplish here as we came into this week. Remember, this is a swing trading program that I use myself to manage our own accounts, our letter of direction accounts. I manage a hedge fund, and I actually use this information, and I execute this information right here for the fund of the Equity Management Academy, as well as other clients in accounts that we trade live. The information that we provide here is real-time trading information for those that are not aware of what we do. But everything that we do here is real-time, and what we're doing is basically teaching people that want to learn how to take advantage of this perfect storm, you might say, environment that we're in, and be prudent about using technical analysis so that you won't get influenced by a lot of the sentiment that's out there that could be very dangerous. We have a tremendous amount of sentiment out there that is being put out that is calling for the end of the world, that is calling for gold to go to 5,000 ounce at 25. I've heard that to $100,000 an ounce by July 27, July 29, the end of the world. The Shemitah period, all these cycles and so on and so forth. And I got to tell you that it is overwhelming chatter, okay, that I believe is preparing the market for a bloodbath once again. So we want to pay attention to the sentiment that's out there, to the chatter, but we want to follow the math of the market. And that's what we do day to day here in the room. I show you how I manage funds. And basically, if you are a serious trader and you follow what we do, I'm sure that you can appreciate this information to be extremely valuable, as our record indicates that 94% of the signals that we produce are profitable. And we're beginning to document that time and time again for your benefit, for your well-being, if you are looking for this kind of intelligence. So what we have done coming back here is our target to the upside. And if we basically close below this level of 1958, even a little closer, I would say to you, below 1992, okay, more than likely we will come down to test the $19 possibly level of support. So we have accomplished our targets on the upside. It appears to be a bit of a flag here, which in the bigger picture, it is a bullish geometric configuration that if we do break above this resistance levels of 2080, the targets of 21, 2250 will be activated, and it could be that at that point the market enters into an acceleration phase. But in the meantime, we still have the potential to come down possibly to the $19.20 to $19. Now, if for some reason the market does go into a correction, this is going to be probably, in my opinion, one or the last opportunity that you may have in buying at these levels. The market is tremendously undervalued to its mean. And the only reason why we are suggesting basically at this point is because we had to take some profits and be cautious and be defensive, is because we have accomplished our targets. If we come down to that 1940, 1950 area, all the way down to 1901, as you can see here on the weekly swing indicators that we provide a week before, for your benefit, when we see the harmonic alignment, when we see the harmonic convergence take place, and that means that the daily prices will be in sync with the weekly prices at any one of these levels. Regardless of the price, when we get to the blue level, it will identify for us the highest probability of demand and the highest probability to buy long at these levels. If you would like to receive more information on what I do, we provide a very, very exclusive coaching process that basically allows you to increase your returns by about 94% record of success. If you would like to hear more about it, see more about it, you're welcome to have a trial for you to see, completely transparent, what we do. Our team is prepared to assist you through this incredible perfect storm that we have in precious metals to be able to trade these markets intelligently. You can contact me at 805 area code 418-1744, or you can email me at support@ema2trade.com. You have nothing to lose except to get the most incredible intelligence available right now. I'll let you be the judge of it, and the results speaks for themselves. This is Patrick MontesDeOca once again. Thank you for sharing this time with you. I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Be well, be safe. Until next time, take care.